Are you someone who wants to know what is push and pull system? Let me tell you. A push system, also called make to stock, means that a company produces goods according to the demand forecast. It is often used to produce goods with a low chance of unforeseeable demand fluctuation, example food, pharmaceuticals, household chemical, etc. The pull system is a lean manufacturing strategy where goods are produced according to the actual demand as opposed to forecast. In this kind of system, companies only keep as much inventory and produces as much as is needed to respond to the existing customer orders. The main differences between push and pull system is that in a push system, production dictates how much inventory will be pushed to the market, while in a pull system, current demand pulls the good. That is, it dictates when and how much to produce. In push system, high inventories due to large safety stocks, while in pull system, low inventories due to low safety stocks. In push system, high chance of waste of handling, while in pull system, it eliminates waste of handling and storage. In push system, there will be a product availability at all time, while in pull system only reacts to the customer orders. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Bay Dot.